Infrastructure sustainability is very important because infrastructure often has very long life cycles. The design lives of infrastructure can range from 50 to 100 years plus, and the various impacts that are felt across that life cycle can be quite significant. So they can range from environmental impacts like pollution of waterways or air, through to social impacts, etc. And then the amount of money that we spend in developing infrastructure is quite significant. These are often large projects that take considerable resources to construct and then operate. There are various rating tools which have been established to measure the sustainability performance of various sorts of infrastructure and construction in general. So in the building space, you've got rating tools like Green Star. In the infrastructure space, you've got ISCA's own Infrastructure Sustainability, or IS, rating tool. There are other guidelines like the Transport for New South Wales Sustainable Design Guidelines, and Vic Roads have their Invest tool as well. These tools were developed, I guess, as part of a global trend. So we've seen sustainability starting to be addressed through rating tools over the years, commencing in the early 2000s. And the take-up of these tools has started to transform the sustainable construction space. Now, what these tools mean, I guess, for the supply chain, these tools are a way to describe what sustainability means when it comes to construction and operation. And by putting these sorts of descriptions and standards in place, it starts to develop a language around what sustainable construction means. It starts to drive performance, and these become performance management tools for the whole industry. So clients like to specify what kind of performance they want, contractors like to be able to show what kind of performance they can deliver, and then flowing through the supply chain, so suppliers and subcontractors and the like, if they can find ways to achieve the objectives that the clients want, to meet the performance benchmarks, the descriptions in the tools, that can be a really good way to show their performance, and also to establish improvements in their performance for their own internal perspective, their own stakeholders, community, their own employees. So the tools can really help to drive that performance right across the industry.